What's up, guys? You ever seen those SpongeBob episodes where it's like the lost episode? Well, I found an episode that I didn't even edit. I don't know why I didn't even edit. I don't have an intro, I don't even have an outro, nothing. So I'm gonna do all of that here, and I'll show you the clips of the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. It's just me and Apex bassing, going fishing in the kayak. It's actually pretty cool. It's actually very beautiful out there. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys right after it. Let's get to it.
Let's go catch some big fish, bro.
Let's do it.
You good?
Yeah, I'm golden.
It will be a little more sensitive since we're on these seats. We'll go nice and easy. I like Carolina rigging when I'm deep and I want to cover a lot of ground.
Oh, then we're casting the wrong way.
No, I'm casting the right way.
You mind if we turn this way a little bit more?
Yeah, go for it. Whatever you want to do, right?
I need to kick it this way.
Well,
So this is perfect right here, because now I can aim towards the bank and you can aim to the side.
This is beautiful, dude. I love it. I wish I had my camera out so I could get a picture of you right now.
I got my phone.
I'm telling you, dude, we hook a big fish, it's pulling the both of us.
Whoa.
What was that?
I don't know, but I hope it sees my worm right here. And he did. Come on, take it.
Nice! Oh shoot! Good job, dude.
Got him.
You, be careful.
What?
Don't let him get on the boat. Hey, that fin, dude. That's what's
Will you take this for me?
Yep.
Thanks.
You got on film? Nice. Good
Sweet.
job, man.
My first fish.
Super cool, dude. Good job, man.
Thanks, brother.
That's a beautiful bass, bro. Oh, man.
Alright guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was short, sweet, simple. So alright guys, well, you guys, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and if you have one, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the very next episode. Later.